Hi, welcome to another tutorial video of SwiftCloud ERP. Today I'll be introducing the learning management system to you. But first of all, you might be wondering what a learning management system is. A learning management system is a software application or web-based technology used to plan, implement, and assess learning processes. It serves as a centralized platform for creating, managing, delivering, and tracking educational courses, training programs, or learning development. What can this be used for, you may ask? An LMS system can be used for employee training or onboarding. Education, it can also be used for academic education, and it can also be used for virtual classroom. So what am I saying? An LMS now enables you as an organization to plan courses for your employees. Say there's a new process of there's a new process of production or a new system that you're trying to introduce to your employees. You can use this LMS system to train them on how you can use it to train them on how to use those systems, and you can also use it to assess their understanding of those systems that you're trying to introduce to them. So join me as I run you through the LMS module of SwiftCloud ERP. So once you've logged into your dashboard, by your left under the menu you see your LMS. From there you can go to your dashboard. Your dashboard now is just a display of everything that the particular employee or learner has performed, everything that he has done in the course of his use of that system. So for now, we can see we have total courses available, we have the course objective, we have learners, and we have failures. So this gives you a rundown of all the activities that your candidates are performing. We can also see the performance reports. It gives you on the it gives you it gives you timely report on every activities that happen within the system. So let's go to the courses. For the courses, you can easily create courses based on the need of your organization. If you go to the right, you can easily create new course. But on my dashboard here, I already have some courses that are available. We have the courses ranging from digital marketing, software engineering, human resource. You can create it based on the need of your organization simply by clicking on create new. Then you create new, you can easily create a new course depending on the need of your organization. Like I said, we have the subcategories, and one good thing about this is that it gives you the opportunity to add both videos and documents to the courses. You can create categories by clicking on the categories by your right. If you can see it, click on it. From here, you can create a new category. Create the category and you create the target audience. And after that, you can easily create the subcategories, which are the marketing, technical support, HR, sales, software development. So after doing all of that, say go to the courses, say digital marketing for instance. You can easily populate it with whichever document or tags that you want the learners to learn. Say you can add the name of the course, let's say how to reach more clients through the digital space. The to there refers to the order, the description. You can leave that place blank or you can describe it more clearly. Then you add the YouTube link video, then you add the chapter. Okay. So once you've done that, the learners can easily log into the portal and they'll see the items that are available based on their need. So based on their department, they'll be able to assess the materials that are needed for their capacity building to improve themselves. Another feature we have under the LMS is the quiz questions. So you as the tutor or the HR of the organization, you can create multiple choice questions from this area. Once you create it, you create the questions, you drop the options, then you add the correct answer so that by the time the learners are going through the system, they'll be able to attempt the questions, and if the answer is correct or if it's incorrect, the system is going to score them based on what they responded. So that will be it for today. Thank you. Bye.